A language is a roadmap of a culture. It tells the people where they come from and where they're going. Happy morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to say that thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak on How to Wow series. My name is Hemlata Rathod and I am the participant of English speaking and personality grooming training at IICS. Today, I am going to speak a very relevant and important topic, how to get command over English. So everyone has a question in their mind to how to do this. But today I will give you the answer of this question. So as we all know that the English is a global language, English is an international and a professional language. English is the second large language spoken in the world. I am from Hindi medium background and didn't anything stop me to speak in English because of seven secrets. And what are the seven wonderful secrets? The seven wonderful secrets is hidden in the word English only. When we spell word English, English, it's each and every letter has a secret. So we start with the secrets. First letter is E. E stands for environment. Make an environment of English. But first question is comes in our mind. How can we build and create an environment of English? So for that, you have to choose 5 best people in surrounding you whom you can speak in English. Interact with them, communicate with them because only action gives you satisfaction. The next letter is N. N stands for natural. Be natural, be confident. Don't lose your originality. Don't copy paste with others because only natural, when you become natural, you become original. The next letter is G. G stand for grammar. Everyone know that the grammar is the base of English. So, if you want to be a perfect English communicator, first get command over English. English grammar gives you knowledge. It helps you to enhance your knowledge. And the next letter is L. L stand for learn. Learn, make a commitment with yourself to learn something new each and every day. Learn something words, learn something vocab, learn something phrases, learn something words. And the next letter is I. I stand for initiative. So many people desire to learn English, but they don't determination to initiate it. So for that, make a determinate to initiate your plan of learn English. Next letter is S. S stand for start. Start right now. Start learning in English. Start speaking in English. Start thinking in English. And whatever you learned before, recall it. And when we complete secret S, becomes our next secret H. H stand for heartfelt. Feel the joy of speaking English in your heart. When you feel the joy of speaking English in your heart, you enjoy it. And then you realize the English comes to you naturally. So, after following the 7 wonderful secrets, you can be a perfect English communicator and get command over English. So, I adopt all 7 secrets in my life and I hope you do the same thing in your life because every amazing journey starts with a single step. Thank you so much for listening me.